Hey girls, want to start your own business from home? In this video, I'll share 30 plus easy and profitable ideas you can try right now. Perfect for beginners and totally doable with just simple tools. Let's get started. Shell jewelry. Collect bead shells or buy online, make cute earrings or necklaces, and sell on Instagram or craft markets. Use YouTube to learn simple designs. Painted stones. Pick smooth stones, paint creative designs or quotes, and seal them. Great for decor or gifts. Sell on Etsy or local craft pages. YouTube. Pick a niche, crafts, lifestyle, etc. Shoot videos on your phone and upload weekly. Earn through ads, brand deals, and affiliate links. Affiliate marketing. Join Amazon or other affiliate programs. Promote products on social media or a blog, and earn commission for every sale through your link. Baking cookies or cupcakes. Start with simple home recipes. Take beautiful photos, promote locally on WhatsApp, and take pre-orders for birthdays or events. Stickers. Design on Canva or Procreate. Print at home or order online. Sell themed sticker packs on Etsy or Instagram. String arts. Use nails, wood, and colored strings to create stunning wall pieces. Learn designs on YouTube and sell as custom name art or decor. Handmade pouches. Sew cute fabric pouches at home with a basic machine. Use fun prints and sell them as makeup or coin pouches online. Greetings cards. Make custom handmade cards with cute messages, watercolors, or cutouts. Offer custom designs for birthdays or weddings. Macrame earrings. Learn basic knots online, use macrame cords and hooks, and create trendy earrings to sell online or at pop-up stalls. Tutoring. Offer online or home tutoring for subjects you're strong in. Promote in local Facebook groups or to friends and neighbors. Paper cut portrait frame. Use colored papers and a craft knife to create unique portrait frames. Market as personalized couple or family gifts. Scented candles. Make candles at home with molds, wax, and essential oils. Use cute jars and labels for a premium look. Sell gift sets online. Boho arts. Create wall hangings, dream catchers, or canvas boho style art using feathers, beads, and natural tones. Sell through Instagram reels and pop-ups. Hair oil and serums. Make natural hair oil with herbs and essential oils. Bottle it in cute packaging, and share benefits through videos to build trust. Hand-painted fabric. Paint on t-shirts, dupatas, or scarves with fabric paint. Offer custom designs or quotes. Sell via Instagram or craft fairs. Bath and body scrubs. Make sugar or coffee scrubs at home using natural ingredients. Package in jars with cute labels and promote for self-care lovers. Stained glass wall arts. Use fall stained glass paints or kits to create beautiful home decor pieces. Offer custom names or quotes for added value. Phone charms. Make aesthetic or kawaii style phone charms with beads and string. Target teen buyers through Instagram Reels and TikTok. Pet portraits. Draw or paint custom pet portraits from photos. Offer digital or physical versions and promote with pet-loving communities. Hand-painted tote bags. Paint cute designs or quotes on fabric tote bags. Great for eco-lovers and gifts. Promote through reels showing your painting process. Dried flowers bouquet. Air-dry flowers and arrange them into elegant bouquets. Sell for weddings, gifts, or home decor through Instagram or florist collabs. Ribbon bookmarks. Use ribbons, beads, and charms to make elegant bookmarks. Sell in bundles for readers or offer custom initials. Handmade pressed flower frame. Collect real flowers, press and frame them in glass or acrylic. Sell as nature-inspired home decor or gifts. Arts. Create your own artworks, from acrylic painting to sketches. Sell originals or digital prints on Instagram or art marketplaces. Macrame hanging shelf. Make small hanging shelves using wood planks and macrame cords. Great for boho home decor. Show usage ideas in your videos. Plant pots. Paint terracotta or ceramic pots with cute or quirky designs. Promote to plant lovers and offer custom orders. Glasgow paper arts. Use specialty papers to craft 3D models or themed wall decor. Target art lovers or kids' rooms for sales. Pom-pom crafts. Make colorful pom-poms and turn them into keychains, garlands, or bag charms. Great for craft fairs and online bundles. Chocolate gift boxes. Make chocolates or buy chocolates. Add handmade touches like mini roses, cute notes, or small gifts. And create beautiful gift boxes for birthdays, anniversaries, or special surprises.